Destiny Etiko makes money rain as she's praising bundles at Ekene Umenwa's wedding. This is fantastic. This is boss lady moves. This is Barbie doll move. Destiny Etiko, who they check out. You have to see how Destiny Etiko was spraying money in bundles as she was spraying money at Ekene Umenwa's wedding that was going down today. It was fun-filled, like it was jam-packed. A whole lot of Nollywood actors and actresses that was present to grace the occasion of one of their colleagues who was getting married today, and it was nothing less than amazing. Destiny Etiko came in fully prepared as she made money rain at this event. The whole wedding ceremony was top-notch as A-list Nollywood actors and actresses was present to pay support and homage. She also had a surprise performance for Moses Bliss. She was so happy and grateful for this wonderful day and how everything went. I'll be sharing with you a full highlight of how the wedding ceremony went down. Don't forget to comment below what you think about it, and don't forget to like and share.